Hello everyone! Have you ever wanted to build your own web app without knowing how to code? No?
Doesn't matter.
In this video, I will introduce Lovable, an AI-powered platform that acts like a software engineer, allowing you to create full-stack web applications using just text prompts. It's incredibly popular right now with founders, product managers, and designers who need to quickly turn an idea into a real working product. So what kind of AI is Lovable using? It's a sophisticated code generation model. You give it a text description and it writes the underlying code using modern frameworks like React and Node.js. It solves the problem of starting from zero. Instead of writing thousands of lines of code, you simply describe the features you want and Lovable builds the foundations for you, making the development process incredibly fast. So to start, open your browser and type in the URL box lovable.dev. Now once you're in the homepage, click on the Get Started button at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you will create your account. I will use continue with email, but you're free to use any sign-up method. As you can see, now it will ask your email address and password, so insert that and you're in. Once you've been registered, you will be greeted with Lovable's Hub UI. The left sidebar is to navigate through your and other users' projects. At the center is where you find the prompt box to start generating web applications. Now let's take a look at a realistic example. Imagine I've just made a startup for my shoes brand. As the founder, I do not have the money to hire a software engineer to create my web page. I would type in the prompt box the following phrase: make the front page for a shoe website called shoe website with a navigation bar. Home, men, women, sale. Now I want to add a grid showing 3 shoes, each with an image placeholder and their price. Now this is where the fun begins. By enabling visual edits under the prompt box, you can dynamically modify the page by selecting the element, which will be automatically highlighted, and telling the AI what to change. For this example, I will change the Shop Now button to a purple gradient. As you can see, the main advantage of Lovable is speed. It lets you prototype and iterate on ideas in minutes. However, it's important to remember its limits. For very complex custom logic applications, knowledge in web development is required. Also, money is still needed. Well, the free version gives you 5 credits, which is okay to start, but for serious projects, you'll eventually have to pay. I highly recommend using it as your starting point to develop your ideas. I hope this tutorial was useful. Thanks for watching.